How to fix Dredge Black Screen while loading missions. To fix Dredge Black Screen while loading missions, try the listed steps below. 1. Backup then delete the dredge settings.bin at c/users /username folder /app data /local low /black salt games /dredge subfolder. 2. Launch the Dredge game. 3. Backup then delete the save folder at c/users /username folder /app data /local low /black salt games /dredge. 4. Turn off cloud save option in your Steam agent game and start a new playthrough. And here are some other tips. 1. Update your GPU drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Updating your Windows. 3. Verify the integrity of game files. 4. Uninstall then reinstall the game.